Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Home Security, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Ring Home Security System components. Lay out the Ring device, mounting hardware, screws, and the user manual. Check that all items are included by cross-referencing with the manual. Next, choose an ideal location for your Ring device. Make sure the location is within range of your Wi-Fi signal. Consider a spot that provides a clear view of your entrance or yard. Once you have selected a location, use the provided mounting template. Hold the template against the wall and mark the screw holes with a pencil. Drill holes into the marked spots as needed. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the screws provided. Next, carefully attach your Ring device to the mounting bracket. Ensure it is secured tightly and doesn't wobble. Now, power on your Ring device by inserting the battery or plugging it in. Download the Ring app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Ring app and select Set up a device. Choose your Ring device type from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the Ring device to connect to your network. Once connected, customize your device settings in the app. Set up motion alerts and notification preferences. You can also adjust the sensitivity of motion detection. Next, test the video feed to ensure proper installation and coverage. Make any necessary adjustments to the angle or location of the device. Familiarize yourself with the app features, including live view and recording options. Lastly, explore additional features like sharing access with family members or friends. Congratulations, your Ring Home Security System is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.